How to create a new exercise in Lean on CMS. In your browser, open your CMS. Click Workout, click Exercises, and click Create New Exercise. Type exercise name. Select level. You can select multiple levels. Select muscle group. Multiple muscle groups can be selected. Select environment. You can include an alternative exercise. Select exercise equipment, optional. Set a custom order for exercises in the See All section by defining their sequence. You can publish the new exercise or leave it as a draft. Select this field if the exercise is body weight. The exercise can be free or available only for paying users. Add exercise description. Click Add Step. You can explain how to perform exercises step by step. Click here to add a video. Upload a video or select one from the library. By selecting a video for an exercise, the CMS will automatically set the corresponding exercise image. To finish, click Save Exercise.